माया कल्पितमातृकामृषा द्वैतप्रपञ्चाश्रयः सत्य ज्ञान सुखात्मक श्रुतिशुद्धो अखण्डधीगोचरः नित्याबन्धविदूननेन परमा नन्दैकतानात्मकम् मोक्षं प्राप्त इव स्वयं विजयते। विष्णुर्विकल्पोऽध्यात्मवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। दृष्टि सृष्टिवाद in this the lakshana मुख्य लक्षण was दोष प्रयुक्तत्वे सति ज्ञातैक सत्वम दृष्टि सृष्टि. This you have to remember. What is दृष्टि सृष्टि? दोष प्रयुक्तत्व. So any knowledge that we get is दोष प्रयुक्त. And ज्ञातैक सत्वम. What is jnatam, that alone is sattva. When known, then only it has reality. So dosha prayuktvatve sati jnataika sattva. Then to refute that, Purvapakshi is coming out with various objections, doubts, etc. So we saw Purvapakshi said, Jiva, Isho, Vishuddhachit, these 6 anadis are there. What about them? If you say that these are also part of Drishti Srishti, then Siddhanti says, no. Seen Mulam, Anadi Atirikte Srishti Vishaya Eva, Drishti Srishti Swikarat. Drishti Srishti Vada is Anadi Atirikte Srishti Vishaye. It has to be different from these 6 anadis. Why it has to be different from 6 anadis?
It doesn't have utpatti.
So it is Drishti Srishti Vada. Srishti, if it is not there, then where is the question of Utpatti? I mean, these are Anadi, so in Drishti Srishti Vada also they are not created. So other than that, only Drishti Srishti Vada. Then somebody says, okay, whatever is Drishti is Mithya. 6 Anadis are not Drishti Srishti, therefore they will be Satyam. So we say, no. Karanatmana Sthayitva Svikaracha. Karana Rupena, they are Sthayi. Karana Rupena, when they are Sthayi, then Pratyabhignana question is also answered. Because what is Sthayi, it will have, we give the answer that in Bauddha Darshan also, there is Pratyabhignanam. Pratyabhignanam means Soyam Ghataha, Soyam Devadattaha, in this way. So Karana Rupena, they are Sthayi. Karya Rupena, Drishti Srishti.
6
And what about these 6 anadis? Are all of them satyam? So we say no. There we will use drishyatva hetu. If it is drishya, it is mithya. So other than Brahma, everything else will have drishyatvam. Therefore, all the other 5 will be anadi but mithya. तावता एव बौद्ध अभिमत क्षणिकत्व निराकरण उपपत्तेर न आकर विरोधः प्रत्युत आकरेषु बहुषो दृष्टि सृष्टि रूपपादिता एव. So by this karanatmana sthayitvam and for anadi there is no drishti srishti. By all this samadhanam, Bauddha abhimata kshanikatva nirakarana is possible. Buddha have said kshanikatva, we can do its nirakaranam. And na akara virodha. Akara granthas like Mandukya, Gaudapada Karika, Sutra, Brahma Sutra, Bhashya, especially in Brahadaranyaka and Brahma Sutra, Vivarana, Yoga Vasishtha, there is no virodha. In fact, Gaudapada Karika and Yoga Vasishtha, they heavily talk about Drishti Srishti Vada. Entire creation is mithya. It's like swapna. So they support Akara Granthas, they support Drishti Srishti Vada. There is no virodha with our own Granthas. This is established. Now next question. Nanu. एवं प्रतीति मात्र शरीरत्वेन नियत कारणाजन्यत्वे श्रुतिषु स्वर्गाद्यर्थम ज्योतिष्टोमादि विधेहे ब्रह्म साक्षात्कारार्थम श्रवणादि विधेहे आकाशादेर वायवादि हेतुत्वस्य च उक्तिः अयुक्ता इति चेत् प्रतीति मात्र शरीरत्वम. Pratiti matra sharira means drishti srishti. When I experience, then it is there. Otherwise, it is not there. This is called pratiti matra shariratva. Pratiti matra shariratva niyata karana janyatve niyata karana ajanyatva. Because now, see, earlier in Srishti Drishtivada, for Ghata Utpatti, you need Mrittika. For Pata Utpatti, you need Tantu. In Drishti Srishtivada, you need Drishti for Ghata Utpatti. You need Drishti for Pata Utpatti. You need Drishti for Swarga Utpatti. You need Drishti for Moksha. All you need is Drishti Srishti. If Drishti is there, Srishti will happen. So he says, Pratiti Matra Sharirattvena Niyata Karana Ajanyatve. There is no Niyata Karana now. Shruti Shu for Swargadi, you need Jyotishtomadi Vidhi. That, and then you attain Swarga. For Brahma Sakshatkara, you need Shravanadi Vidhanam. You have to do Shravanam, etc. Brahma Sakshatkarartham Shravanadi Videhe. And from Akasha, Akashadehe Vaivadi Hetutvam. Akasha is Hetu for Vayu, Vayu is the Hetu for Agni. All of this will become Ayukta. Because all you need is Drishti, you need Jnanam. As soon as you have Jnanam, Swarga Utpatti will happen. moksha utpatti will happen. Brahma Sakshatkar can happen only by jnanam of Brahma, means paroksha jnana. Still you can get in a na. Swapna karya karana bhava bodhaka vakyavat upapatte. In swapna, for ghata utpatti, what do you need?
Jnanam.
All you need
Vritti.
is only a projection. You don't need anything else. For pata utpatti is also projection. In other words, swapna is drishti srishti. You don't need any raw material. But you can still have some karya karana bhava. Swapna mrittika will produce only swapna ghata, not pata. And swapna tantu will produce swapna pata. Swapna suvarna will produce suvarna alankara. So there is some karya karana. This is the same thing in Jagrat. And still it can be drishti srishti. Swapna karya karana bhava bodhaka vakyavat upapatti. Its upapatti will happen in this way. न च इवं वेदांत वाक्यस्य तन्मीमांसायाश्च स्वप्न वाक्य तन्मीमांसा तुल्यता पत्ति. Then someone says, then Jagrat Vedanta Vakya, Swapna Vedanta Vakya will be same. Jagrat Vedanta Mimamsa, Swapna Vedanta Mimamsa, all will become same. The Siddhanti says, no, this apatti we will not have. Vishaya Badha Badhabhyam Visheshopapattehe. Swapna Vakya, Swapna Vishaya, their Badha will happen. Jagrat Vakya, Jagrat Vishaya, Badha will not happen in Vyavaharika. But if you say Vyavaharika and Pratibhasika, both are same in Drishti Srishti Vada, which is true. Earlier we could have said Vyavaharika is different, Pratibhasika is different. But in Drishti Srishti Vada, there are only two sattas, Paramarthika and Pratibhasika. Everything is projection of illusion only. So then, Vedanta Vakya, where there is Tatparya in Brahma, there is no Bhada. Other Vakyas, Laukika Vakya, other Vakya like Swargadi Vakya, they all will become Bhadita. Because their Vishaya is Bhadita. Vedanta Vakya with Mukhya Tatparya in Brahma, those Vakyas will become Pramana Vakya. Because their Tatparya is in Brahma, which is Abhadita. Otherwise known as Tattva Pramana Vishaya. So Tattva Vedaka Pramana Vishaya is Abhadita. In Jagrat Vakya, whatever is Mithya, it is Badhita. We don't have any problem in accepting it, including for Veda Vakya. We ourselves say that the Srishti Vakyas, there is no Tatparya in Srishti Vakya. There is no Tatparya in Ardhavada Vakya. They all are Mithya. They are Badhita. अतएव तृप्त्यर्थ भोजने तृप्त्यर्थम भोजने पर प्रत्यायनार्थम शब्दादौ च प्रवृत्तेः अयोगेन स्वक्रिया व्याघात इति निरस्तम स्वप्न व्यवहारवद उपपत्ते. Siddhanti says, with this reasoning, another of your Purva Paksha's arguments are also refuted. For Trupti Artham, we need Bhojan. For Para Pratyayanartham, we need Shabda. Pratyayanam means to create jnanam in someone else, to enlighten anyone on any subject. Shabda Vyavahara happens. Purva Paksha says, in Drishti Srishtivada, for Trupti, you don't need Bhojan. You just get the jnanam of laddu and you will be filled. Jnanam of roti, dal, chawal, whatever, stomach will be full because the drishti srishti. And therefore there will not be pravritti. Similarly, to enlighten others, why are you giving all these discourses, etc.? It is drishti srishti only. You just think it has happened over. Drishti srishti actually means eka jiva only. So there is no other jiva. That argument they will say in the next topic. That who are you enlightening if there is no other jiva? Who is guru? Who is shishya? Like that. But here, para pratyayanartham shabdadau pravritti ayoga. Why? Swakriya vyaghat. Swakriya, whatever kriya that we do, bhojanadi kriya or avabodhana kriya, etc., there is vyaghat in all of them. So Siddhanti says, no, all vyavahar we can do just like in swapna. All vyavahar will be upapanna. So, Drishti Srishtivada in Jagrat Avastha will work just like how it works in Swapna Avastha. There is nothing wrong. And there is another important aspect which he is explaining now in the next topic. See. Swakriya Vyaghat iti nirastam. Swapna Vyavaharavad Upapatte. Everything is Upapannam like Swapna Vyavahar. अथैवं घटादेः स्वज्ञानात् पूर्वम् असत्त्वेन प्रतिकर्म व्यवस्था अनुपपत्तिः अधिष्ठानस्यापि शुक् इदमंशस्य रूप्यादिवत् इदं रजतम् इति ज्ञानात् प्रागसत्त्वेन संप्रयोगादि हेतुत्रयजन्यत्व रूप अध्यास तटस्थ लक्षणस्य सत्यस्य वस्तुनो मिथ्या वस्तु संभेदावभास इत्यस्य स्वरूप लक्षणस्य च योग इति चेत्. This is the objection by Purva Paksha. Ghatadehe of Ghatadi swajnanat purvam, before its jnanam. Now is it clear? Are you able to hear?
Yes, Swamiji, it is.
Ghatadehe swajnanat purvam. Now you see, what is pratikarma vyavastha, you remember?
Each Vishaya
Everything.
has got Ritti to none.
Each Vishaya what?
For each Vishaya, there is a Rutti to be known actually.
For each person, each Vishaya, there will be a vritti which will produce jnanam only of that Vishaya. One pramata, one vritti will produce jnanam of whatever that one prameya is. One prameya can have one Vishaya, it can have 10 Vishayas, it can have 100 Vishayas. But it will be one prameya, that jnanam, this is pratikarma vyavastha. In pratikarma vyavastha, before the jnanam takes place, Vishaya has to exist. But in Drishti Srishtivada, Vishaya doesn't exist before jnanam. Because it is when jnanam, then sattva. When the knowledge is taking place, that time alone it is there. No jnanam, no Vishaya. So this is a big difference. In Srishti Drishtivada, the normal thinking that common man has. Object is there, then I happen to see, Jnanam takes place, I do Vyavahara. Drishti Srishtivada, object is not there before. I see it, it appeared. I take my vision away, Ghata is not there for me. So Pratikarma Vyavastha requires that object exists before Jnanam. Swajnanat Purvam, Ghatadi should be there, but in Drishti Srishtivada it is Asat. Swajnanat Purvam Asatvena, Pratikarma Vyavastha will not work. Anupapatti, one. Second, you see how people think, oh, I have question on Drishti Srishtivada. People don't know how to think also. Adhishthanasya, see, when we get Pratibhasik Jnanam, there is Shukti. Shukti has two amsha. Idam amsha, Shukti amsha. Shukti amsha Ajnanam, Idam amsha Jnanam. When this is the situation, then in that Idam amsha, there is Rajata amsha Adhyaropa. So Jnanam takes place as Idam Rajatam. Correct? This is the Prakriya. So now I should have first the knowledge of the Idam amsha of Shukti. Then in that I will have Rajata Adhyasa. But you are saying Shukti is also Mithya, Rajata is also Mithya. Shukti is also Pratibhasik, Rajata is also Pratibhasik. Because you don't have two different avasthas anymore, two different sattas. So Adhisthana Shukti Idam Amshasya Rupyadivat, Idam Amsha and Rupya, both are Mithya. Idam Rajatam iti Jnanat Prag Asatvena. So, Rupya is Sattva. Before Idam Rajatam Jnana, Rajata is there.
No, Swamiji.
Not there.
No.
Rajata is not there. Before Idam Rajatam Jnanam, Shukti Idam Amsha is also not there now. Because it is Drishti Srishtivada. How Adhyasa will take place? And for that Adhyasa of Rajata in Shukti, you need three things. Samprayogadi Hetutraya Janyatva Rupa Adhyasa. Samprayogadi means you need Indriya Sannikarsha with the Idam Amsha. You need Samskara of Rajata. And you need Dosha Prayukta Chakshurindriya. All three things are required. You need to have Jnanam of Idam Amsha. You need Samskara of Rajata. And you should have Dosha Prayukta Chakshu. If I have Jnanam of Idam Amsha, Indriya Sannikarsha, I have Sanskara of Rajata. But I can clearly see it is Shukti. Bhranti will take place.
No.
No.
So clear knowledge is there, why Adhyasa? In other words, some dosha is also required. If I don't have Samskara, Adhyasa will not take place. If I don't have Indriya Sannikarsha with the Adhisthana Amsha itself, nothing, I can notice anything. A blind person doesn't have superimposition of silver on Shukti. There is nothing. So you need all these three. So all these doshas, Adhisthana Amsha, Indriya Sannikarsha is not possible because it is Drishti Srishti. I hope everybody is following what I am explaining.
Yes,
Yes,
Swamiji.
Swamiji.
Yes, Swamiji.
Swamiji.
Others?
Yes,
Yes,
Swamiji.
Swamiji.
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes, Swamiji.
Adhisthana amsha is not there to begin with. So Indriya Sanikarsha is not possible. Samskara, somehow you say they are there. And dosha in the chakshu or whatever karana. So Purva Paksha says, Samprayogadi hetu traya janyatva rupa adhyasa. Tatastha lakshana sya. The tatastha lakshana for adhyasa. What is the swarupa lakshana? Satyasya vastuno mithya vastu sambheda avabhasa. Satya nrite mithuni karanam. This is swarupa lakshana. Satya and mithya coming together. So when all this happens, then there is adhyasa. In your drishti srishti vada, half of the things are not even there. How you are going to have adhyasa? Iti ched. Siddhanta said, na. प्रतिकर्म व्यवस्थायाः संप्रयोगादि हेतुत्रय जन्यत्व रूप अध्यास तटस्थ लक्षणस्य च मंदाधिकारी विषयत्वात्. प्रतिकर्म व्यवस्था, that you need vishaya, for that there is one pramata, there is jnanam, etc. All this pratikarma vyavastha prakriya is for manda adhikari. And samprayogadi hetutraya janyatva rupa adhyasa tatastha lakshana. This is also for manda adhikari. Manda adhikari means those who have very less vairagya, those who are extroverted. They all are called manda adhikari. Those who are avrita chakshu. So in one of the sessions in the hall, I explained, which I will share, the difference between common man and a Mahatma, a great man if you want to call. What is the difference? For common man, Jagat is Drishyam and Pramata is. So he thinks, I am Drashta and Jagat is Drishya, I see, I experience. This is all. His life begins with that, his life is going to end with that. And in this way, he has gone through cycles and cycles of creation. I am experiencer and the world is experience, and that's all. What is the difference between them and Mahatma? For Mahatma, I am Atma and my Ahankar is Drishya. There is no world discussion. They are out of it. I am Atma, Drashta, and my Ahankara is only Drishya. I am focusing only on that. Means in the world, you may see, they are also eating, they are also walking, they are also transacting. Their mukhya sadhana is only this. Externally, nobody will know what they are thinking. This is the main thing for them. This is why they are Mahatmas. They don't have world as their drishya, their own ahankara, or you say their own mind is drishya. So if you make that mind as mithya, then world is mithya. This is called straight path. This is the direct teaching. So for Manda Adhikari, all this prakriya is there. Yaya yaya bhavet pumsam vyutpattihi
प्रत्यगात्मनः
सासैव प्रक्रिया ज्ञेया साध्वी साचा नवस्थिता. We have seen this in Siddhanta Bindu and we have seen it here also. Again I am mentioning. Satyasya vastuno, in other words, whatever is true for Manda Adhikari and Srishti Drishtivada, everything need not be applied here to Drishti Srishtivada, and we don't have to have explanation for all of that. If there is not, it doesn't apply, you eliminate it. If there is no need of explaining, you drop it. Drishti Srishti Vada is meant for person who is a very highly evolved sadhaka. Satyasya vastuno mithya vastu sambheda avabhasa iti swarupa lakshanam tu drishti srishti pakshe api aviruddha. Tatastha lakshana and swarupa lakshana for adhyasa. Tatastha lakshana is you need all the samprayogadi hetutraya. Swarupa lakshana is satyanudate mithunikaranam. He says here also satyanudate mithunikaranam is there. Therefore, drishti srishti paksha api aviruddham. Satya is there, adhisthana brahma, and mithya, whatever is understood, it is also there. What is superimposed? Therefore, there is no virodha. Nahi idam amshavacchinnam chaitanyam na vastu. Nava mithya rupyasya tena saha na sambhedao bhasa. Now, this statement requires some background. What he says, you said Shukti idam amsha has to exist for Rajata superimposition to take place. Rajata adhyasa will not happen otherwise. Siddhanti says, is Rajata appearing in Shukti idam amsha? This is the first question. Rajata is not appearing in Shukti idam amsha. Rajata is appearing in idam amshavachinna chaitanya. Shukti idam amshavachinna chaitanya is where Rajata is appearing. So Rajata is not appearing in idam amsha, it is appearing in chaitanya. That chaitanya is pre-existing, which is the avachedya. It's avachedaka and adhyasya vastu, they can appear together. Shukti idam amsha, as soon as it appears, Rajata will appear. But Chaitanya is the adhisthana, which is existing earlier itself. So that's why it says, Nahi idam amshavachinam chaitanyam na vastu. Means idam amshavachinam chaitanyam is vastu, is existing. And mithya rupasya tena saha na sambheda avabhasa iti na. Mithya rupyasya, mithya rupya, Rajata, tena saha sambheda avabhasa is also there. Sambheda means mutual superimposition. So they are distinct, appearing between Chaitanya and Mithya Rupya. So that Sambheda Avabhasa is there. And therefore, whatever Lakshana that we have said for Adhyasa is Upapannam. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purna Purnamacche Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं पादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय ॐ शान्ति शान्तिः।